So next menu which is up is the filter menu, which you can enter with ALT+4. The filter menu does velocity scaling, and it can also filter out incoming and outgoing MIDI in terms of notes, control changes, program changes, pitch bends, stuff like that. You can use it together with MIXDOWN as a filter for a track. For example, if you have a track which contains pitch bend data and you want to remove it, you could use the filter to first block the pitch bend, mix down, and then it's gone. And you can also use it to transform the input of your keyboard with a different velocity curve. So if I play this sound here, it sounds like this. The RK2 is converting MIDI to something on the vocal sample, so you can use chromatic play, and you have more like this high cut filter is engaged on low velocity. Anyway, the thing is, you can hear when I play soft and when I play loud, and I can change that with these digits. So 1 to 6 are preset values. You can press 1 and the velocity will scale down to 20%, 2 for 50, 3 for 90, 120, 150, 6 for max. So if I now play soft or loud, it will always sound the same. With monosynth it can be handy because you want to play in one velocity, and now you can just remove the velocity response from your keyboard like this. With pressing 0 is back to normal, and well, 7, 8 and 9 are for small increments. You can press 8 for 80%, and with 9 you can go up 10%, with 7 you go down 10%. You can also do it with Alt-Inc and Alt-Dec, but yeah, it's also handy to have this in just one key access. Well, let's show you a little recording. Like this. And use the scaling on it. Like this. You see I can change the properties of the sound like this. Well, on to the next part of the filter menu. Going right, you'll see filter. You have digits 1 to 6, or 1 to 5, sorry, where you can filter different aspects of MIDI. Like pressing 1, you will filter out the notes. 2, you will filter out control changes. 3 is for program changes. 4 is for Aftertouch. And 5 is for pitch bend. Yeah, well, that's about it actually on this menu. Maybe a handy tip which you can do with this is, for example, if you have transformed something full on because you wanted something to have the same MIDI response on every note like this, you can combine it with merge, press Alt+3, mix down the track, and now if you again go into the filter menu, you'll see that the velocity is set to original and the notes are still playing full on. So that's a way to stack modifiers. You can just first you do full on and then you go to 60% and everything will be playing in the same velocity. Okay, well, so far for the filter menu.